Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel tips and tricks. So today video is about not Laravel specific, but it's a general video. So what is the tip? So the tip is about how if you are using multiple forms in your web page and you want to clone them instantly, so how you can replicate them. So I'm using multiple forms here and I want to clone them. So what is the proper way of to clone them? So let's go to the text editor, and here I'm using this using these forms, right? So let me go down. So here I'm using this beta of the day, which is the first form. So let me hide this one, and this one is starting from there, and I'm displaying it here like this one, and I'm cloning this one like this, right? So let me go to the last one. Which one is the last one? The long shoot, right? So it's this one. So let me also go there, and this one is long shoot. So now I want to create a football bundle form. So how can I do this instantly? So let's go here, copy this from there, and copy the full form, and I'm going to make here paste it. And then how you can change the input field instantly without mentioning their name custom, like you are going to the one input field, change their name, then go to another. So I will share a simple trick with you. So you can change the color here directly, like black. So let me copy this and make this black. Okay, so how you can change the variable name? So let's control D, control D. So it's selecting the TL. So you can select all the TL. So I named this TL underscore ID, TL underscore name. So it means that I'm first using the prefix, and then after the underscore I'm using the input field name. So I'm using this all for same one. So it means that now I can create multiple forms, and I can override the variables by using this control D. So let me do it. So select all of the one. Okay, I selected all of the one, and now I'm going to make this FB. So now it will represent the football bet note, football bet trainer. So it's I did this very instantly, right? So let's change this here also, football bet. Okay, so let me change this manual here, football bet. Okay, football bet, and also you can change this here, right? So how you can change this in the controller? So let's go to the controller, and I'm using this here, first checking that if there is a TL ID, so then it's going to submit this request, and then I'm checking that if user is entering something. So after this I'm going to validate this form. I'm not validating this like if I have 8 forms and user is only filling 2 forms, so I'm going to only validate these 2 forms. So how I'm doing this? So let's take eye on it. So I'm checking that if request TL name, so it means that if the user is filled this TL name, so then I'm going to validate these all fields, right? So I'm also mentioning this validation here, and then I'm going to save this into the database. So I did this same for all of the one. So how we can clone this here? So let's copy this if, and you may remember you don't need to add this else if, you need to add the if, because we want to save the multiple form. So I clone this, and how can I replace with this FB? So let's select this TL, and then select all of the one. So if you select any other variables like here, so you can manually change this. So it's giving you a much functionality. You don't need to manually change this here, and change this in the form. So it's means that it's an instant trick that you can save your bunch of time. So I added this here, and now our form and our backend stuff is ready in few minutes. So hope this will help you a lot. So subscribe the YouTube channel for more tips and tricks, and also check out my YouTube channel where I uploaded a lot of series on the Laravel. So subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected. Bye bye.